What's up, YouTube? So we finally got the black car out of the trailer. We got to start setting up for racing tomorrow, but I think we're gonna go ahead and go make a couple like little, a little bit of hits on it or whatever. I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with it. So we'll see how this thing reacts after the dyno. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and all that other jazz. Let's go. All right, so make sure you guys go check out my dyno video. It's the first time I've been in the car since the dyno. We're gonna go find out how good she does. We're gonna put her on a little diet this weekend because they got a stick shift event coming up. So we're gonna take some things apart. I apologize about it being a little loud. I would normally have my cutout in, but it's changed a little bit, so. Made 700 plus on a 96 housing. We were choked up pretty good. We're not gonna get stupid. We're not gonna get silly stupid with it. I mean, we are in the street, and I could get hurt, but damn, is it fun. Not obnoxious. No different than a modified Mustang. At about 50 pounds PSI oil, just hit operating temperature. one thing I do notice, I got this thing choked up way too bad. I can hear my turbo spooling literally at like 2,400 RPM. I don't know if I like that all that much. It's kind of what I intended to do to begin with, but this is a whole different type of setup. So we got to be mindful of the back pressure, and we got to be mindful of the type of load I'm creating. So we'll go back. We'll hit the shop and we'll take a look under the hood.